zone, somewhere all alone. Hey! On a hermit in his lonely cave, as he sailed to keep him company. But the lover who is burnt as gold, he has heartaches, he was you and me. The sensation is not new to you.